edu, GSIW, WISA,
KTTA, Pasithea Therapeutics, announcing initial safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetic, and preliminary efficacy data from phase 1 clinical trial. That's Kilo Tango Tango Alpha.
TIGR.
GANX, Gain Therapeutics, to host a virtual webinar on results from phase 1 study and design of upcoming phase 1B trial of GTO2287, novel GCase targeting
Tall.
small molecule therapy for Parkinson's disease, Golf Alpha November X-ray.
Tall.
TRNR, Interactive Strength, this secures exclusive distribution for climber with
EDU.
PrimaFit in fast-growing Indonesia
Oh.
and receives second order in third quarter. That's Tango Romeo November Romeo.
mu, 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 mu,
LVS.
AG,
LUV
WISA.
Southwest Air again had that share buyback news earlier, a few minutes ago. Company's investor day is today. That begins at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Leave me informed, Victor.
KTTA.
FFIE,
KTTA. 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 KTTA.
NCNA.
KTTA.
KTTA,
EDBL. GFI.
KTTA, TNON,
GFI.
KTTA, KTTA, FRGT,
O,
AGQ, TBIO,
TSM,
BEKE,
TSM, TSM,
NCNA, NCNA, Octa,
LVS, 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 TSM, 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 ENVB, SMCI, SMCI, ARBK,
TBIO,
SMCI, SMCI,
TBIO,
SMCI, 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 PDD,
TBIO,
INTC,
TBIO,
SMCI,
KTTA,
Gold,
KTTA,
SMCI,
KTTA,
ERNA,
GFI.
GMCI, GFI, HL, PDD,
KTTA, KTTA,
ASM, INTC, SMCI, TSM,
Octa,
SMCI,
NCNA,
TSM, BTBT, PTBT,
BTBT,
TSM, TSM, PDD, BHP, PDD, 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 PDD,
IAS expands its AI-driven total media quality
SMCI,
product on YouTube
TSM,
to include brand safety and and suitability measurement for
NCNA,
misinformation. That's India Alpha Sandy
SMCI,
and Golf Oscar Oscar Golf Lima.
KTTA, ACN. Watch the spread.
CCL, AMD,
KTTA,
BHP, TSM, AMD, AMD,
Koru,
AMD,
TBIO, KTTA, IAUX, KTTA, KTTA, KTTA,
Gold,
KTTA,
Beak,
KTTA,
Beak, GFI,
KTTA,
SMCI,
KTTA,
SMCI, SMCI,
KTTA, KTTA,
NIO, BHP, BHP, SMCI, 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 MSCI, SBSW, GFI, GFI, Gugsol. SMCI.
KTTA.
TSM.
KTTA. KTTA.
TSM. TSM.
KTTA.
TSM.
KTTA.
BHP.
KTTA.
HLN. ARM. 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 TSM. TSM. ARM. BHP. ARM. 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 TSM. ARM. ARM. TSM.
TBIO.
AMD. AMD.
TBIO.
Veil. ARM. AMD. QCOM. AMD. TSM. BHP.
KTTA. KTTA. KTTA.
SMH. AMD. ARM. QCOM. ARM. NVDA. CLSK. ARM.
WISA. WISA.
SOXX. BTG.
Benzinger market
WISA.
update. S&P futures up 43.75. The Dow futures up 179. NASDAQ up 287.75. Crude is down $1.89 at $67.80. Natural gas is up 4 cents at $2.86.
Add.
Gold up 15.10 at 26.99.70. Bitcoin futures up 1,295 at 64,500. Coming up at
KTTA.
8:30, GDP sales for GDP for Q2,
KTTA.
PCE prices,
TBIO.
jobless claims. At 9:10, Fed's
CPLD.
Collins will be speaking. Fed's Kugler at 9:15, Fed's Bowman at 9:20, Fed Chair Powell at 9:25, Fed's Williams at 10 a.m. pending home sales for August. At 10:30, Fed's Cook, Fed Vice Chair Barr at
Veil.
10:30, natural gas storage. At 11, the KC Fed Manufacturing Index for
IQ.
September.
QCOM.
At 11:15, Treasury Secretary Yellen. At 11:30, the 4-week and 8-week bill auction. At 1 p.m., the 7-year note auction. Also at 1 p.m., Fed Vice Chair Barr and Fed Cash Carry. At 4:30 p.m., the Fed's balance sheet. That's coming up today. After the close today, earnings from COST Costco and BB BlackBerry.
TBIO.
CLSK. AAL. PDD. AAL. Love. WIMI.
TBIO. FUTU.
QCOM. SOXX.
SMR. KTTA. 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 YINN. Octa. Boil.
NVDA.
CLF.
NVDA. NVDA. SOXX. NVDA. 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 NVDA.
SVM.
PDD. 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 PDD.
WISA.
PDD. AAL, PDD, HLN,
WISA,
SMR, NVDA, SOXX, NVDA,
AGQ,
NVDA, NVDA, PDD,
KTTA,
NVDA, NVDA, SMR, SMR, NVDA,
KTTA,
SMH, L,
KTTA,
Love,
KTTA,
REHP, AMD,
WISA,
PDD, NVDU, PDD, 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 Rio, SMH,
TAL,
AMD, Rio,
KTTA,
BHP,
KTTA,
Dino, Rio,
KTTA,
Beak,
KTTA, KTTA,
PDD, Dino, L, Stim, SMR, Rio, BHP,
KTTA,
JNVR, Janiver,
KTTA,
exclusive to Benzinger. Janiver tells Benzinger Company launches
L.
new AI tools for
KTTA,
InsurTech subsidiary designed to accelerate its InsurTech business.
HL,
KTTA,
EVAX, AMDL,
TRVI, Trevi Therapeutics,
Billy,
announcing additional analyses of cough relief time
Billy.
from phase 2A canal trial
KTTA,
accepted for oral presentation at CHEST
KTTA,
2024. That's Tango Romeo Victor India.
EVAX, EVAX,
Billy.
EVAX, QQQ,
JBL, Jable out with their results. Jable reporting adjusted earnings of $2.30.
EVAX, ISPC,
The estimate was $2.22,
ISPC.
so that's a beat
Billy.
for Juliet Bravo Lima.
ISPC,
Jable announcing new $1 billion share buyback authorization.
Dell,
That's Juliet
SMR.
Bravo Lima. Jable
SOXX,
KWEB,
again beating on earnings. Revenue of $7
CORZ.
billion for Jable. The estimate was 6.56
DJT,
billion. So that's a beat
YINN.
for Juliet Bravo Lima.
BZ, BZUN, ARM,
YINN,
SCWO, 347
YINN.
Water,
EVAX,
announcing successful deployment, commissioning, and full operability of its
YINN.
Air SCWO technology at
L.
Orlando's Iron Bridge facility. That's Sandy Charlie Whiskey Oscar.
YINN. EVAX. EVAX.
QQQ.
ARM.
QQQ. XPEV. TQQQ. QQQ.
ARM.
Chow. KTTA.
L.
ARM.
TBIO.
L.
TBIO.
BHP.
Tall.
NIO. BHP.
PDD.
NIVF.
KTTA.
ISPC.
KTTA. 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 KTTA.
Tall. Tall. Billy. PDD. CORZ.
KTTA. KTTA. TBIO.
Rio. Rio.
TBIO.
HLN. Vale.
KTTA. 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 KTTA.
KTTA.
TBIO.
L.
EVAX. EVAX.
MSS.
EVAX.
CLSK.
TBIO.
CLSK. Gold. CLSK.
TCOM. Big spread.
MCHI.
TCOM. Big spread. SVM. EVAX.
Gold.
EVAX.
XPEV. Gold.
TBIO.
Gold. BCTX. SBSW.
KTTA.
NIO. JD.
KTTA. KTTA.
CLSK.
FUTU. Big spread. NCNA.
tall,
FUTU.
NIO. TLT. EXAS. LCID. BZ.
KTTA. KTTA. FUTU. BZ. FUTU.
XPEV. BZ. XPEV.
FUTU. Big spread. TBIO.
BTG. LCID.
TBIO.
MCHI. Beak.
BEKE. TBIO.
JEPQ.
TBIO. TBIO.
Snap.
TBIO. TBIO.
XPEV.
TBIO. 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 TBIO.
Veil.
WVE.
KTTA.
WVE. WVE. Snap.
KTTA.
Veil.
PDD,
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 MFH,
KTTA. 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 KTTA.
Rio, Rio,
KTTA.
Mara, GFI, CAF, Pets, Mara,
YINN.
Rio,
LILM,
Rio,
LILM,
KTTA. BEKE.
Beak,
GOTU.
ABCL,
MU. MU.
Benzinger market update. S&P futures up 44.50. The Dow
Mu.
futures up 174. NASDAQ up 299. More China stimulus news this morning.
MCHI,
Crude is
Mu.
down $2.11 at $67.58. Natural gas up 4 cents at $2.88. $1,212.86.
TBIO.
Gold up 23.20 at 2707.90. Bitcoin futures up 1,295 at 64,495. Coming
Mew.
up at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the GDP for Q2, durable goods, PCE prices,
WV.
jobless claims. At 9:10, Fed's Collins and Fed's Kugler speaking at a fireside chat hosted by the Federal Reserve Banks of Boston and
KTTA.
Minneapolis.
KTTA.
At 9:15, Fed's Bowman speaking
KTTA.
on economic outlook and monetary policy at Mid-Sized Bank Coalition.
KTTA.
At 9:20, Fed's Powell on a pre-recorded video at the U.S. Treasury Market Conference at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. At 10:30 a.m., Fed's Barr at the Treasury Market Conference.
KTTA.
Fed's Cook also at 10:30, Artificial Intelligence and Workforce Development. Fed's Barr again at 1 p.m. at the
PDD.
fireside chat with Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari.
Snap. MCHI.
Fed's Cook then again at 6 p.m. at Artificial Intelligence and Labor Force presentation.
ZK.
Coming up at 10 a.m., pending home sales
MCHI.
for August. 10:30, natural gas storage. 11 a.m., the KC Fed Manufacturing Index for September. Treasury Secretary
Snap.
Yellen at 11:15. At 11:30, the 4-week and 8-week bill auctions. At 1 p.m., the 7-year note auction.
Amat. O.
SOXL.
Amat.
TOVX. GOTU.
KTTA.
Beak.
JD. Amat.
TOVX.
TU.
TOVX.
SOXL.
TOVX. 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 TOVX.
TOVX.
O.
TOVX.
TOVX spiking
Amat.
here. Theriva
O.
Biologics. Tango Oscar Victor X-ray.
TOVX. TOVX.
TOVX.
O.
GOTU.
BZ.
GOTU.
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 TOVX.
WV. WV. WV.
JD.
GOTU.
JD.
JD.
NIO.
GOTU.
GOTU,
NIO,
GOTU, KTTA, KTTA,
GOTU,
NIO, O,
GOTU,
Vale, JD,
KTTA,
O,
AMAT,
ZK, NCLH,
SVMH exclusive to Benzinga. Shrivaro tells
NIO.
Benzinga company secures
KTTA.
approval from India's Road Transport Authority for Prana 2.0, says
Baba.
achieving final federal technical compliance. That's
Baba.
Sandy Victor Michael
Baba.
Hotel, SVMH exclusive. Another exclusive,
SHV.
VANI. Lavani
Baba.
Medical tells Benzinga company
AMD,
received regulatory approval to initiate first in human clinical trial with GLP-1 implant in obese and overweight individuals in Australia. Lavani tells Benzinga study will represent the first clinical application
VST,
of Nanoportal, the
MNSL,
company's proprietary
NVDA,
implant platform
TBIO,
technology.
VRT,
That's Victor Alpha November, India.
SLB,
SLB,
VANI.
Vani,
TBIO,
SNAL Snail Games reports
LNDLY.
revenue growth from ARC Survival.
GOTU,
Ascends premium mods and milestone unit sales for ARC Survival Ascend. Sandy November
AMAT.
Alpha Lima, SNAL. ABBV, AbbVie announcing top-line
INTZ.
results from phase 3 Temple 1 trial evaluating
AMDL,
tavapadon
KTTA,
as monotherapy for Parkinson's disease. That's
PDD.
Alpha Bravo Bravo Victor,
Vani.
ABBV.
Vani.
KTTA,
RNAZ, TPST, VZ,
PTCT, FDA grants fast track designation to PTC 518 Huntington's
PYPL,
disease program. That's Papa Tango Charlie Tango.
VST,
VANU,
ABBV, disregard that one.
VANU,
PDD, PDD,
NAAS NAS Technology
PDD,
announcing strategic
PDD,
partnership with
PDD,
IM Motors. That's in November Alpha Alpha
PDD,
Sandy.
PDD,
KTTA,
Real,
KTTA,
Vale, GOTU, GRE,
KTTA,
FITB
Shell.
Fifth Third receives $50 million federal new markets tax credits allocation. That's Foxtrot India Tango
Dino.
Bravo.
LVS,
EQN.
AQNR, BP, LYFT,
EVLV
Billing.
Spectrum Center prepares to reopen. Arena announcing
Got it.
addition of Evolve technology at entrances. That's Echo
NCLH,
Victor Lima Victor.
INTZ, INTZ,
BKSY Black Sky wins U.S. Navy research contract for Gen 3 advanced optical
INTZ.
inter-satellite links. A press release now. Bravo Kilo Sandy Yankee.
O, INTZ,
BTDR Bitdeer completes testing of its latest
Billy.
CL2 Bitcoin mining
INTZ.
chip. That's Bravo Tango Delta Romeo BTDR. BKSY, that news was out yesterday on that contract for Black Sky BKSY. Lever Kilo Sandy
PDD.
Yankee. OPAL, Opal Fuels, announcing new
EDD.
fueling station and expanded
spread.
relationship with GT carriers, Oscar Papa Alpha Lima.
NCNA.
MCHI, MCHI,
SBFM, Sunshine Biopharma launching 2 new generic prescription drugs. That's Sandy Bravo Foxtrot Michael.
ACMR,
FRGT. KTTA.
ATYR,
FFIE.
EB, EBS, Emergent
YINN.
Biosolutions, announcing execution
GIGR,
of contract options valued at $67.4 million to procure additional
EBS.
Tembexa to support national preparedness efforts. That's Echo
YINN.
Bravo Sandy.
KTTA. KTTA. NCNA. MNSO.
check,
FBIO.
JDZG,
TBIO. NCNA. FBIO.
VGZ,
NCNA.
MCHI,
NCNA.
TLT,
NCNA.
NCLH, MCHI, NEW, FCX,
NCNA.
FCX, TLT, EDU, NTES, FCX, EDU, FCX, FCX, NTES, EDU, TLTS, EVAX, EDU, TFFP, MCHI. Billy. JD.
EBAX.
TME. MCHI. TLT. JD. JD. TLT. TLT. Billy. NTES. EDU. EDU.
NCNA.
JD.
Billy.
HLN.
TME.
WB. EDU.
NCNA.
JD.
TME.
JD. MCHI. TLT. WB. PDD. DKNG. PDD. PDD. MCHI.
PDD.
PDD. TLT. TCMD. JD. 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 TLT. NTES. PDD. 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 JD. 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 TLT.
JD.
Billy.
YINN.
MCHI. NTES. JLT. TFFP. MCHI. DKNG. YMM.
YMM.
BABX. SVM.
Momo.
JD. JD. TLT.
Momo.
BIDU.
Billy.
NTES.
IQ.
JD.
JD.
NTES. YMM. NTES. BIDU. Billy. Billy. NTLH. BIDU. RPHM.
Baba.
BIDU. JD. JDD. PDD. JD. TCMD. PDD.
YINN.
JD.
Baba.
MCHI. BIDU.
YMM. CWEB.
BIDU. BIDU. CMRX.
YINN.
XPEV. MCHI. ASM.
YINN.
PDD. TME.
YINN.
YMM.
YINN.
TME. VET.
IQ.
BIDU. YMM. BIDU, TME,
KTTA,
BIDU, CMRX,
CWEB,
BIDU, POAX,
CWEB,
POAI,
Baba.
BMM, Lee,
KTTA,
Lee, CAF, Baba, WIMI, POAI, BIDU, Baba, WIMI,
LVS,
Baba,
Win.
Baba,
Win.
Baba,
Win.
Baba,
Momo.
Baba,
Win.
Baba, YUMC, BABX, Baba, LVS,
LRHC, La Rosa Holdings, exclusive to Benzinger.
Baba.
La Rosa tells
Baba.
Benzinger Company announcing
Baba.
debt restructuring, says
LRHC.
conversion rights halted and
Baba.
principal and interest
Baba.
payments deferred
Eight.
until February
NTBF.
2025.
Baba.
ABX,
La Rosa tells Benzinger
Baba.
restructuring benefits financial position and reduces debt
NVDL,
under the
NTES.
notes by about
LRHC,
9.5%. La Rosa tells Benzinger
YINN,
reaffirms target of $100 million
VIPs.
annualized revenue
NVDA,
exit run rate for
NTES.
2024 with profitability expected in 2025. That's
Baba.
Lima Romeo Hotel Charlie
LVS.
LRHC.
JD, BIDU, JD,
Baba.
XPEV, NTES, DAL,
Baba.
Baba,
LVS,
Baba,
Baba.
MCHI,
BABA, LVS,
LVS,
KWEB, LVS,
Billy, BIDU,
Billy.
BABX,
NCNA,
Amat.
KTTA, NCNA,
Billy,
GXAI,
Win.
LVS, Lee, JD, Win, BIDU, LVS, LVS,
BTCY,
NTES,
disregard that. It's OTC now.
BZ, LVS,
LVS.
LVS,
FRGT,
LVS. LVS.
BZ, LVS, DAL, BHP, AM, BZ,
PDD,
MCHI,
FRGT, GXAI,
ASM, MCHI,
GXAI, PDD,
BIDU, 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 BIDU,
Israeli
PDD.
military said it's currently carrying out precise strikes in Beirut.
BIDU, BIDU, BIDU,
IBIT,
BIDU,
IQ, NCNA,
BIDU,
NTES, MARA,
NTES,
TBIO, TBIO,
BIDU, NTES, AAL, ED, ED, MARA, MARA, ASM, MARA,
TBIO,
AAL, BIDU,
TBIO,
MARA,
MDJH,
MARA, AAL, MARA,
CK,
INTC,
KTTA,
AAL, BHP, CSCO, TLT, MNPR, Tourer, Vale, CSCO, CMG, INTC, CENN,
KTTA, KTTA,
CMG,
KTTA,
CIFR, INTC,
KTTA,
CSCO, MARA,
IBIT, TLT, CIFR, MARA, MARA, PDD,
PDD,
UBXG, TLT, MNSO, RZLV,
CSCO,
KWEB,
RZLV,
YMM,
YMM,
MCHI,
RZLV,
BIDU,
TBIO,
BIDU,
BIDU,
TBIO,
BIDU,
PDD, PDD, PDD,
GXAI,
BIDU,
BIDU, BIDU, BIDU,
Baba,
BIDU,
PDD,
BIDU,
BIDU,
Baba,
BIDU,
BIDU,
PDD,
BIDU,
CSCO,
BIDU,
BIDU, BIDU,
Vale,
BIDU, Baba,
BIDU, BIDU,
Baba,
SOXX,
Baba,
BIDU,
RZLV, Baba,
BIDU, Baba,
BIDU,
SOXX,
Baba,
PDD,
Baba,
RZLV,
RZLV,
Baba,
PDD,
Mara,
JD,
Coming up at 8:30,
RZLV,
BIDU,
GDP for Q2 expecting
CSCO, JD,
plus 3%.
BIDU,
JD,
Core
JD,
PCE prices for
MCHI,
Q2 plus 2.8%.
BIDU,
PCE
IBIT,
prices plus 2.5%. Durable goods for
Baba,
August minus
Baba,
2.8% month over month.
Billy,
Initial jobless claims 224,000
Billy,
expected.
CSCO, Baba,
Billy,
Baba, Baba,
Billy,
YMM,
Baba,
KTTA,
PDD,
That's coming
XPEV,
up in
Baba,
less than 5 minutes now at 8:30
KTTA,
a.m.
BIDR,
Eastern
JD,
Time.
PDD, PDD,
PDD, PDD,
Mara,
XPEV,
CWEB,
BIDU,
Lee,
PDD,
Baba,
PDD,
Mara,
CWEB,
Baba,
PDD,
BIDU,
KTTA,
WB,
CSCO,
Baba,
MCHI, INTC, PDD,
GIDU,
KTTA,
MSAI, BIDU,
WISA,
MCHI, INTC, MCHI,
CWEB,
XPEV, BZ,
Big Spread,
BIDU,
Lee,
PDD,
WISA,
NTES,
BIDU,
NTES,
NTES,
CABX,
CABX,
Baba,
JD,
NIO,
BIDU, Baba,
TBIO,
JD,
KWEB,
Riot,
TIGR,
IIPC,
NCNA,
MCHI,
Baba,
MCHI, NTES,
WB,
Baba,
MSS,
KTTA,
XPEV, TME,
KTTA,
TIGR,
KTTA,
YMM,
TBIO,
WB,
TBIO, YMM, TBIO, TBIO,
WB,
SMCI,
TQQQ,
TBIO,
YMM,
TBIO, TBIO,
SIDU, AMAT,
Baba,
Baba,
FCX,
NTES,
TBIO,
Baba,
BIDU,
BIDU,
TBIO,
NTES, BIDU,
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 FCX,
FCX, BIDU, 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 NTES, BABA, BABA, CCL,
Coming up in 1 minute now.
BABX,
GDP for Q2, durable goods,
SMCI,
PCE prices, jobless
BABA.
claims.
BABX, MCHI, WB, BABX, NA,
TBIO. TBIO.
MNSO,
BZUN, TME, RZLV,
GOTU.
ACMR, MNPR, FCX,
JD. PDD.
BHP,
WB,
FCX,
WB.
ASNS, MCHI, QQQ,
WB.
Durable goods flat
WB.
versus a drop of 2.8%
ASNS.
expected.
ASNS,
GDP for Q2, 3% in
JD.
line with estimate.
SOXX, QQQ, TQQQ, QCOM,
Core
RZLV.
durable
RZLV.
goods orders month over month plus
RZLV,
0.5% versus plus 0.1% expected.
RZLV,
Initial claims
KWEV.
218,000 versus 224,000
GME.
expected. Continuing claims 1.834 million.
KWEB.
PCE
IBIT,
prices 2.5% in line with estimate.
SEDG, QCOM,
TLRY.
ZTO,
S&P futures dipping slightly here,
VIPs,
58.2450.
KTTA.
TIGR,
FUTU.
ASNS, Sectelis Networks, received $200,000 order to provide fast
HINX.
upgrade and modernization to U.S. Army National Guard based network. That's Alpha Sandy, November
LPTH,
Sandy.
LPTH,
LPTH,
ASNS,
MU,
CUK,
LPTH, Lightpath secures order for
JD,
thermal imaging
IBIT,
assemblies for new program with
CMCT,
Tier 1
IBIT,
defense customer. That's Lima
IBIT,
Papa Tango Hotel.
CIFR,
MPU, Mega Matrix,
JD,
TNTM,
announcing approval of
TNE.
redomicile merger to Cayman Islands.
CIFR,
Each common share to convert to one
CSL.
class
C.
ordinary share. That's
GME,
Michael Papa
XMET.
uniform.
Vale,
CIFR,
QCOM, MSTR,
AEYE Audio I achieves HIPAA compliance and
VIPs.
SOC 2 type certification, strengthening data protection and security measures for its customers.
GRYP,
That's Alpha Echo Yankee
Love.
Echo.
MSTX,
NIO.
ECTX, Love,
SOXL.
REBN Reborn Coffee announcing strategic
C.
joint venture to open 3
SOXL.
new locations in
CIFR.
Thailand. That's Romeo Echo Bravo November,
KTTA.
REBN.
JD, Billy,
AMTB, Amerit
TBIO.
Bancorp, announcing
NTES,
pricing of Class A
WIMI,
voting
Zeta,
common stock offering.
LSTX,
That's Alpha
TBIO.
Michael Tango Bravo, AMTB.
BABA,
BBD,
TBIO.
BABA,
ABX, BABA, BABA, YUMC,
7.9 million shares priced at $19 per share. That's Alpha Michael Tango
BZ.
Bravo, AMTB. PRGO
SMCI.
Perigo
CH,
announcing new infant formulas offering complete
KTTA.
nutrition for tolerance concerns. Papa Romeo Golf Oscar.
NTES,
EXLS. EXL launches
KTTA.
specialized insurance large language model,
Love,
leveraging NVIDIA AI Enterprise.
TSLA,
That's
TSLA,
Echo X-Ray
TSLG,
Lima Sandy and November
SMCI,
Victor Delta
TSLA.
Alpha.
TSLA,
BIDU.
TSLL,
TKO Group reached agreement with plaintiffs to settle all claims asserted in LE case for
BABX,
$375 million.
TSLA,
That's Tango
TSLA,
Kilo Oscar.
SOXX,
TSLA,
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 COM,
Guru.
JD,
CNTM, Connect,
CNTM, GDR,
Mu,
M eliminates
TSM,
13.7 million in debt. Charlie November Tango Michael.
SOXX,
JDR,
SMCI,
MNPR,
BLIN Bridgeline Digital
MCHI,
US Electrical Distributor
MCHI,
expanded its
Mu.
license with Hawk Search
JD,
to enhance
Love,
Salesforce B2B
NTES,
commerce
Baba,
experience. That's
Baba.
Bravo Lima India November. BLIN.
TSLA, Mu,
SMX,
AMCI,
SMX Security
TSLA,
Matters files
Mu,
for resale of up to
TSLA,
32.76 million
TSLA,
shares by selling
TSLL,
shareholder.
TSLA,
That in a
TSLA,
filing, Sandy Michael X-ray.
SMCI, SMCI, CLF, MMPR, TSLR. Billy,
OSIS, OSI Systems announcing contract
NTES,
for $27 million to provide
SMCX.
support services for cargo and vehicle inspection systems with options
Love,
valued at
FCX,
$117 million. That's
BIDU,
JD,
Oscar Sandy India
JD,
Sandy, OSIS.
JD,
IAUX.
JD,
TSLA,
BZ,
BZ,
YOSH,
BOSX.
Yoshihara Global
NTES,
announcing
BIDU,
venture into
BIDU.
Korean BBQ market. That's Yankee Oscar Sandy Hotel.
AA,
TSLA,
L,
AA, TSLA, SMCI, FCX,
AAPL.
HSBC, AZ, CUK, AA, TSLA,
Billy,
TME, MCHI,
JD.
GSLQ, JD, XPEV,
JBLU.
HSBC, TSLA,
SPAI, Safe Pro Group
Billy,
reports
LAL,
record
TSM,
524%
TSM,
revenue increase in the second
Billy.
quarter. Sandy Papa Alpha India.
Billy.
TSLT,
Shares briefly spiking on that.
ZK, TSLL, TME, TSLL,
SPAI.
TSLR, Hood, MCHI, NIO, TSLA, TSM, TSLL, TSLT, ZK,
GXAI.
MCHI, MSS, XPEV, XPEV, MCHI, XPEV, TSLA,
CAF,
TSLA, CUK,
IAUX.
UAL, IAUX,
FCX,
MCHI,
UAL,
Benzinga market update. S&P futures up 47.25. Dow futures up 205.
KTTA.
NASDAQ up 306.
L.
KTTA.
Northeast,
Crude
KTTA.
is down $1.67 at $68.02. Natural gas is flat now at $2.82. Gold up $12.30 at $26.9730. Bitcoin futures up
KTTA.
$13.65
NSLR,
at $64,585.
HSLR,
KTTA.
LGVN,
KTTA.
MT,
TUYA, JBLU,
NYC
Northeast,
Beast, MT, NYCB, BHP, NCLH, BZUN, URG, North-Northeast, NCLH,
NYCB,
YUMC,
IAUX,
NCLH, ALB, YUMC, JBLU,
FCX,
LVS,
NYCB, ALB,
FSLR,
ALB, CSCO, AA,
LGM, FSLR,
PUK,
Russian Deputy Prime Minister Novak said we don't see oil and gas demand peaking in next decades.
NYCB,
UAL,
NYCB, FSLR,
UAL,
KTTA,
MGM,
PDD, PDD, TBIO,
FCX,
JD, NIO, PDD,
EDU,
TNON,
Novak, Russia's
BIDU,
Novak said
NYCB.
hydrocarbons will dominate in meeting global energy demand.
NYCB,
NYCB, PDD,
NYCB,
PDD,
UAL,
ZSL, NYCB,
EDU,
Octa,
MOMO, NYCB, NYCB,
KTTA, KTTA, KTTA,
CAF, SMH,
YINN,
MARA, SMH, ALTM,
KTTA,
SMH,
KTTA, KTTA,
MARA, HSBC, MARA, MARA,
IRN,
TIGR,
HSBC,
MARA,
Dell,
YUMC, SMH,
BTDR.
UAL, LCID, IREN,
BTDR.
BHP, SMH, FSLR,
DIS.
KTTA,
MGM, FSLR,
DIS.
Hood,
KTTA,
EDU, Hood, Lulu, CMG,
BTDR.
SOXX,
Lulu.
HSBC,
Dell.
PUK,
KTTA,
UAL,
TPR. Dell.
EDU, MBLY, Hood, MBLY,
Uber.
MBLY, Hood, SMH,
Uber.
Uber, ZK,
Lulu.
DIS, MBLY,
KTTA,
CMG,
KTTA, KTTA,
FCX, Lulu,
MBLY.
MBLY,
BTDR, Hood,
EDU.
FCX, CLF, BTDR, West Northwest FCX,
KTTA, KTTA,
PRAA,
AGQ,
AA,
CLF.
UCL, SOXX,
LVS.
CLF, BHP, LVS,
FCX.
AGQ,
AA,
Big spread,
AA.
AA,
MBLY,
FCX,
Arm.
FCX,
AA.
FCX, AA,
AA,
AA, Riot,
BTDR,
AA.
AA,
BHP, CLSK, ARM, Uber, LVS,
TSM.
AREC, STM, CLF,
AREC.
AREC,
TSM.
NCNA,
CLF, TSM,
TSM. AREC.
NCNA,
AREC.
KTTA,
ARM.
FSLR,
KTTA,
FCX,
FCX.
TSM,
KTTA.
KTTA,
LVS, EDU, North Northeast JBLU,
KC,
North Northeast, MSS, SMH, OMEX,
KC,
SOXX,
NTES.
ARM,
AD. NTES.
IAUX, ARM, NTES, NTES, BTDR, STNX,
SMH, EJH,
AMDL, BTDR, BRDR, STM, Northeast, INTC,
QCOM,
INTC, QCOM, QCOM, LVS,
ARM.
SMH, BHP,
NTES,
DAL, DAL, CUK, DAL, DAL,
EDU,
KTTA. KTTA.
BA, VRAR, MBLY, Wolf,
BA,
CHSN,
JD.
STM,
TBIO.
SOXX, SMH, CLF,
CLF,
TBIO.
SMH, Wolf, AMD,
DEL,
SMH, MBLY, QCOM, Wolf,
ARM,
TIGR, DAL, Wolf, AMDL, TQQQ, SOXX, BTDR, SMH, Wolf, QQQ,
AMD,
MBLY, TQQQ,
QQQ,
TQQQ, AMD,
QQQ,
SOXX,
TIGR,
TSM, MBLY,
Wolf.
QCOM, TSLR, AMD,
AMD,
NOC,
Boyle.
AMD, TQQQ, QCOM, AMD, SMH,
Wolf.
SMH,
Pixie, AMDL,
QCL,
AMDOM,
MSTR,
AMD,
BA,
TOVX,
KTTA.
AQQQ,
DEL,
TOVX,
TMH,
TMQ,
QQQ,
KTTA.
FCX,
TMQQ, IQ,
BTDR,
IQ.
TQQQ,
SOXX,
BTDR.
MSTR,
YINN.
TSM,
SMH,
MSTR,
MLU, TQQQ, UBXG,
YINN.
INTC,
ON,
LCID,
Mara,
BTDR, SMH,
MGM,
NTES,
CONL,
SOXX, QQQ, SOXX, Googsol,
NTES,
NTES, NTES,
XP,
EV, on,
NTES,
AA,
KTTA,
NTES,
ATGL,
INCOM,
KTTA,
KTTA,
QQQ,
KTTA,
QQQ,
on,
QQQ,
Mara,
FCX,
FCX,
FRGT,
FSLR, ATGL,
Wolf,
KTTA,
KTTA,
Coming up at 9,
LVS,
10 a.m. Eastern
LVS.
Time, Fed's Kugler,
AAL,
AAL, NTES, BTDR,
on,
and
NTES,
Collins
Mags.
speaking at
Ad.
the
AD,
Financial Inclusion
NTES,
event
on,
at
LVS.
9:15. Fed's Bowman speaking on economic outlook and monetary policy. Fed's Powell on a
ATGL,
pre-recorded
ATGL,
video at
TSLA,
9:20 a.m.
TSLA,
at the
AAL,
U.S. Treasury Market
ATGL,
Conference
MGM,
at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. At
TSLA,
9:25,
INTC,
Fed's Williams also
ATGL,
speaking
NVDA,
at that
EMPH,
same event at 10:30. Fed's
TSLR,
Barr at the Treasury
LVS,
Market Conference.
KTTA,
LVS,
THNR,
Fed's Cook
TSLT,
KTTA,
speaking at 10:30 on
SOXX,
artificial intelligence and workforce
HUYA,
development.
ATGL,
WB,
GEVO, GEVO
WB,
acquires Cultivate AI for its Verity business unit. That's
ISLL,
Golf Echo
AAL.
Victor Oscar, GEVO.
TSLA, Rio, TSLA,
LL, TSLA, BHP,
TSLA,
TSLA, GEVO, TSLA,
INFY and SBH Infosys
GEVO,
announcing
MT,
strategic collaboration with
TSLL,
Sally Beauty.
GSLL, GEVO, INTC,
Lee,
INTC, TSLT,
Lee,
SOXX, XPEV, AMAT,
GEVO, GEVO,
GEVO,
GEVO, GEVO,
JMIA, MAGS, TSLR, JMIA, TSLT, TSLT, HUYA,
AMAT,
GEVO,
GEVO, GHVO, GEVO,
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 SQ,
LICY, AMAT, TSLT, LU, INTC, LX, IRTC, INTC,
VRT,
IREN, INTC,
KTTA,
INTC, Rio,
YINN,
CK,
YINN,
LTBR, INTC,
YINN,
ZK,
Mu,
Lee.
SOXX,
YINN, YINN,
WDC,
TSLA, TSLA,
SYF and DKS Synchrony Financial and Dix Extend Partnership. That's
WDC.
Sandy
TON,
Yankee Foxtrot and Delta Kilo Sandy.
RLX,
Mu,
TNTC,
TSLA,
TSLA,
TSLA, TSLA, TQQQ, TQQQ, INTC, JBLU, TSLA, TSLA, TSLL, TSLA, TSLA, TSLR, Mu, AMAT, QCOM, PLG, PLG, Mu, TSLT,
PTON,
MD, SQ, INTC, TSLT, Mu, AMD, Mu, MD, JBLU, AMD, RLX, AMDL, AMD, MD,
Boyle,
SGL, SGE, Mu, AMD,
Boyle,
INFU, IREN,
Boyle,
FSLR, Mu, Mu,
AMAT.
INFU, TCMD, Mu, BTCS, TCMD, TCMD, CEPU,
SUGP, Hong Kong's Labor Department
Send.
certifies
FXI.
SU Group under Good Employer Charter, Sandy Uniform Golf
JBLU,
Papa.
BCS, BCS, IREN, LAZR, AMAT, LYFT,
CART, Instacart, and 9 a.m. Health
SG.
Partner to
YMN.
help employers expand access to healthy foods. That's
SG.
Charlie Alpha
GP.
Romeo Tango.
ZK, SGE,
TGNA,
TSLA,
Altitude Sports partners with Tegna stations.
TSLT, RIVN,
That's Tango
Dell.
Golf November Alpha.
Dell,
GP,
Dell, UAL, UAL,
Rio.
TCMD,
Dell.
UAL,
INTU, Intuit, on their Investor Day, reaffirming its fiscal quarter, first quarter in
SMR.
fiscal 2025 year guidance.
HBM, Momo, SMR,
That's INTU.
CLF,
Non-GAAP diluted earnings per share of $19.16 to $19.36, growth of about 13 to 14%
Run.
for
NKE.
India November
Agile.
Tango uniform on their investor day.
SMR.
OPEC
TBIO.
Plus is
TLF,
currently
SMR.
focusing on addressing overproduction
IPA.
by some members. That, according to two OPEC Plus sources,
XPEV.
OPEC likely to go ahead with planned December oil
TBIO.
output increase
QQQ.
as impact of hike is small given expected compensation cuts
INFU.
by
XPEV.
some members. That from Reuters.
TSLA. TSLA. IQ.
Rave Restaurant Group out with their
TSLL,
results.
TSLA.
Romeo Alpha Victor Echo.
TSLA.
Revenue of $3.4 million.
SMR. TRGT. IQ.
Letter V, Visa to
QQQ.
acquire feature space.
Mu.
That's letter B.
QQQ.
Letter V.
AMAT. NKE.
Billy.
NKE. TQQQ. QQQ. QQQ. TQQQ. QQQ. LAZR. Mu. Mu. RDFN. Mu. TSLA, VRT. QCOM, TSLA. Mu. TSLA, TSLA. TQQQ, TSLT, TSLA, QQQ, QQQ. TQQQ. TSLL, TSLA, TSLA,
NIO.
TSLA,
SEO.
TQQQ, NKE. TQQQ, RDFN, QQQ. NKE. BMR, TQQQ. NKE, VRT, TSLT. SMH. TSLR. VRT.
AMD,
QQQ, TQQQ.
TBIO. TBIO.
VRT.
KTTA. KTTA. TBIO.
HCC.
KTTA.
Momo. VRT. SMH. QCOM.
LPTH.
ARMO. STM. SMH. QCOM. ARM. Hood. DQ. SMH. QCOM. UAL. LYFT. AMZN. VRT. QQQ. AMZN. TQQQ. TSM. SOXX. AMZN. TQQQ. UAL. SMH. SMCI. FSLR. TQQQ. QQQ. Googsol. AMDL. UAL. CLSK. SMCI. UAL. STM. JBLU. SMCI. SMCI.
LPTH.
AMAT. AMAT. SOXX. AMDL.
Coming up shortly, comments
Good
from
soul.
Feds Collins and Kugler.
DQ. VRT.
TBIO.
CLSK.
AMD,
AMD.
TBIO.
AMZN,
QQQ, TSM,
TBIO,
JBLU,
TSM,
KTTA,
UAL, OKLO,
TBIO,
JBLU, LYFT,
TBIO,
SMH, SMH, PEN, GGB, VOC, Sophie,
KTTA,
WIN,
STM, CLSK,
KTTA,
OKLO, WIN, STM,
KTTA,
KTTA,
KTTA, KTTA,
KTTA, KTTA,
KTTA,
OKLO, KTTA, SMR, KTTA, KTTA, OKLO, AALD, WIN, VOC, WIN, WIN,
KTTA,
STM, KTTA, ERNA, KTTA,
KTTA, KTTA,
JEPQ, STM, JEPQ, ALAB, VOTS, VRT, KTTA, KTTA,
KTTA,
Feds Collins and Kugler
Easy.
speaking now at a
VOTS,
5-star chat.
KTTA,
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 MPW,
KTTA,
TSM, WIN, SNAP, STM, GGLL, LIS, TSM, LACE, JEPQ, TSM, TSM, QQQ, TSM, QQQ, LACE,
GGB,
DQ,
SWN,
VRT, VRT,
KTTA,
SNAP, Lulu,
KTTA, KTTA,
MSFT, Lulu, MPW,
CCL, ZSL,
TQQQ,
ZSL,
TSM, QQQ, VRT,
TBIO,
ASTS, TSM,
TBIO,
QD, VRT, KO, TSM, 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 QQQ,
Oxy.
TSLA, Lulu,
TBIO,
TSLA, CONL, CONL, Hood, TSM,
TBIO,
Lulu. DFLI. Wolf. Wolf. EDU. MBLY.
TBIO,
Sophie. MBLY. 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 HIG. MBLY.
MBLY, MBLY,
CSGP. SQ.
STWD, Starwood Property
Wolf.
Trust, announcing private offering of
Shot.
sustainability bonds.
Shot.
VUZI, Vuzix, targets additional OEM business opportunities on the heels of its recently announced strategic partnership investment, Victor Uniform Zulu India.
GGB.
Shot,
Wolf. Wolf. BLD.
KTTA,
HSBC. HSBC. CLSK.
KTTA, KTTA, KTTA,
MBLY. Wix.
KTTA,
HSBC.
Duo,
SBC. CMCM.
duo,
Duo.
duo,
SMH.
WVE, ARMK, ARMK,
FIS.
SHOT, Safety Shot, entered separation and exchange agreement with Unique Caring Brands, whereby Caring Brands will operate as
WVE,
its own entity, Stanley Hotel Oscar Tango.
WVE,
ABEV. Guilt.
duo, 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 duo,
KTTA,
duo, gilt,
KTTA, KTTA,
duo,
duo, duo, duo, duo,
TBIO,
duo,
duo,
TBIO, TBIO, KTTA,
Coming up,
MULO.
comments from Fed Chair Powell and a pre-recorded address.
YINN,
Powell does not discuss monetary policy or economic outlook in brief opening remarks to New York
MULN,
Fed
MULN.
conference.
KTTA, KTTA, UVIX, UVIX, KTTA, UVIX,
duo,
MLCO, UVIX, Octa, WVE, KTTA. IQ.
PAGS.
WVE.
Feds Williams does not comment on the economy or monetary policy.
AIO.
Says Fed launching reference rate use committee.
DCTX.
New committee will help
DCTX.
markets understand
ICCM.
reference rates. That's from the
Find.
Feds
Find.
Williams.
Sophie.
Find. Find. Find.
TBIO. PDD. JD. Mu. KTTA. AAL. WVE. KTTA. WVE. PYPL.
NVX.
You know just how time
XPEV.
Find.
BYND. BYND.
AGR, Avangrid shareholders approve all proposals, including approval of merger agreement at 2024 annual
ACR.
meeting. That's Alpha Golf Romeo, AGR.
ARAY. SEC.
GNSS, Integrity Wealth Advisors, reporting a 14.92% passive stake in Genesis as of September 13th. That in the following Golf November Sandy.
ACMR.
BYND. IQ.
GRYP.
PDD.
BIDU. BIDU.
Billing.
1 minute to the U.S. market open.
WISA. KTTA. TDD. KTTA. TAL. TAL. TDD. YUMC. Watch the spread. PTN. MSGM. SGML. KTTA. Big spread. MNPR.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up 220 points. S&P 500 up 40.60. Nasdaq up 230.66. S&P 500 hitting another intraday record high.
QFIN,
TAL. TAL.
ATGL, GD, YUMC, TBIO,
TBIO.
TNOA,
AXTI. TBIO.
CDXS, Cassidy and Capital reporting a 9.9% passive stake in Cadexis as of September 20th. Charlie Delta X-Ray Sandy.
WCC. Watch the spread. AXTI. TAL. ATGL. 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 BDKD. BDKD. ATGL.
QFIN, MBLY,
QFIN. QFIN.
NNBC, MDXH,
BDKD. TBIO. YMM. TBIO. YMM.
GT,
Dada.
YUMC,
TBIO. TBIO. YUMC.
FUTU,
TBIO. 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 KTTA. KTTA.
NNBR,
ATGL. TBIO.
TBIO,
TBIO. 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 ATGL.
Feds Bowman said the discount window is not intended to be used the same way as FHLB advances.
TBIO.
Discount window is for emergencies.
HT,
HTHT.
Feds Bowman speaking at the Mid-Size Bank Coalition America Board of Directors Workshop.
ATGL. FXL. ATGL.
Former Amazon seller sues India's
ATGL.
Competition Commission over probe of U.S. e-commerce firm. That's AMZN. Feds Bowman said it's important to recognize there are downsides to discount window.
Tall. Trap. Big spread.
Bowman said you do need to be signed up for it and probably need to test.
FRGT.
You don't necessarily need to position collateral at discount window. Pre-position collateral at discount window.
KTTA. KTTA. Verda. Verda. IQ.
Bowman said fixing discount window by modernizing it is important. Could be unintended consequences by forcing banks to use discount window or hold collateral added.
UCTT.
That's Fed
Big
Governor
spread.
Bowman.
UCTT. Watch the spread. Octo. UCTT. Big spread. Octo.